Right, so today we're going to test your sense of touch on me. So wiggle your fingers, wiggle your fingers. Yeah, we've got something in there. There you go. Right, go on and feel. Keep your eyes closed. What do you reckon it is?
A potato.
No, keep guessing. Keep guessing.
Give me a hint.
Right, just feel it. What does it feel like? Maybe give it a shake. No, don't. Just give it a shake. You give it a shake. Go on, hold it. No, the box. The thing.
The egg. It's the egg.
Yeah, it's an egg because Chasey decided to tell you. Yeah, it's an egg. Right, close your eyes. Right, go on and arms in. Have a feel.
A strawberry.
Yeah, it's a strawberry. That was an easy one, wasn't it? You like strawberry. Right, this is a really hard one. Yeah, you can eat it. Put your hands in. You're not allowed to pull it out. Keep feeling. Here you go. Feel it. Oh, what does that feel like?
Pasta.
Oh, good job. Yeah, that was pasta. That was good. Right, we got one more to do. This one's a tricky one. Hands in the hole. Right, have a feel. What do you reckon that is?
The top of the strawberry.
No, it's not the top of the strawberry. It's similar to it. It's the same colour as the top of the strawberry. What do you reckon it is?
Grass.
Yeah, it's grass. Good job. Well done. You got 4 out of 4 right. Good job. High five me. Yeah, good job.
You guys.
Yeah, Tracy's gonna have a go now. Let's put the stuff in. Right, go on then. Feel inside.
Is it alive?
Yeah. No, it's not really. Why would I put a live thing in there?
What's this? Oh, it's a shoe.
Yeah, check it out. Throw it forwards. Yeah, good.
Toothpaste.
Yeah, throw it forwards.
Piece of bread. Glass.
Yeah, one more. No, nearly. Same sort of thing.
Or pencil.
Yeah, perfect. Easy. Too easy. Put your left one down.
But don't squeeze it. Good. Don't squeeze it.
What is it?
Sneaky.
Is it a nagini, a snake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You did so well.
Yeah, she did do so well, didn't she?
You did so well.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh, yeah. Well done.
Thanks for watching. Bye.